Set wheel changing operation guide. Take out the three screws fixing the set wheel on the bottom shell of the machine and the 2 screws on the side of the front bumper bottom strip and place them on one side. Move the loose part of the front bumper bottom strip out of the card position and take out the set wheel from the bottom shell. Pull out the set wheel wire terminal and release the set wheel spring. Take the wheel set out of the machine and put it aside. Lock the set wheel to be replaced on the set wheel spring. Install the set wheel wire terminals. Install the tighten 3 screws and install the front bumper strip. Press the set wheel to confirm the set wheel responds normally. And then lock the 3 screws for fixing the set wheel and 2 screws for the front bumper strip. And then 没事，结束了。